This is the Artfox LED battery power light. 9 LEDs, 6 colors, wireless DMX, and the remote control power light. And here is the package. One case have 10 lights, and the front case is rechargeable. We can charge in the case directly. Here is the connect to one cable, connect to one by one light. There are 10 plugs here, and the main power is can into the case is here. And this is the remote controller. Here is the wireless. No, this is the DMX cable. And this is a wireless DMX sender. Here is the power connection. Power connection cables. We can charge the do the charge by this cable, connect the case and to here. Also, we can connect the light one by one by this one. And this is the main power cable.